It is wonderful, friends, once again to be with you. This is your friend Sharma on YouTube. Today, our topic is why Uttar Pradesh runs into controversy many times. As usual, we go faceless because the moment show up the face, there will be astrological combinations also which keep us away from a reasonable respect mutually. There is a WhatsApp number displayed here for our friends who want to contact to get further info. Uttar Pradesh has got Benares, Lucknow, and the holy river Ganges also flows through Uttar Pradesh. There were great political upheavals, tides in Uttar Pradesh. Mulayam Singh Yadav, Mayawati, Akhilesh Yadav. In the recent, every state there is a different type of politics played. And recently, about 5 years back, I think 4 years or 5 years back, Yogi Adityanath was elected there under the power of BJP. People of Uttar Pradesh, as in the entire North Indian belt states like Gujarat, Bihar, Rajasthan. Of course, the nativity of the state differs very much, but the inside emotions almost remain the same. Uttar Pradesh, I think, by the God grace that makes me to speak, is in Vrishabha Rasi, Taurus. And when Adityanath was installed as a chief minister, the bad waters of Akhilesh Yadav, Mayawati were swept away, and there was peace and a new style of functioning of a yogi, a spiritual person with saffron robes. We thought the state will herald new development. Of course, there might have been some development on some fronts, not friends but fronts. But after 4 years, I think once again the peace in the state is getting disrupted. I am baffled not only with Uttar Pradesh but even in Andhra Pradesh also, why the police cannot act independently. Police, why it blindly supports the government. In fact, it has gone 1 or 2 steps forward also in the recent Hathras incident. Why such a political vendetta has been come out, has been shown by the police department there. We don't know, it can be a political rivalry, but the politics of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar is a different, totally political, a little bit of more crime is there when compared to Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. But the state led by BJP, if it works out like this, what will be the name for the BJP party and the Mother India internationally? Horrific incident in Hathras. And why the police should burn the dead body at the midnight? Even the last rites were also not given to the members of the family for the funeral of the deceased, the person left. This sort of things really annoy us. The constitution, whether it is being totally sidelined to the interests of the parties, I don't know whether there is BJP interest in this. But the government at the state, at the helm there, the Yogi Adityanath government, should see that, isn't it? That assistant and systematic and a decent way of administration is given to the people. After all, friendly policing is a term that we use many times. Friendly policing. Even the punishments that are meted out to the candidates or the people in crime is also sometimes going over normal suffering and bearing. These sort of things must be set right in a long-term way by the parliaments and the legislatures of the states. I think we have to rope in some people committees as international peacekeeping force is there at the international level. United Nations is there, another body that goes between the politics of nations. This way, we have to do some mediation body functioning also to make the work of government and police and press more transparent. Let us think that the better wisdom prevail with the government, and in future, at least they see that the administration will be more transparent. We are not asking for gold mines. We are not asking for jobs for unemployed. We are not asking immediate addressal of our road, drainage-less roads and pothole-filled roads to be made into Paris or America. We want basic rights respected, isn't it, friends? With these few words, I take leave from you with the assertion that I will come up with some other nice subject. Until such time, have a nice day, have peace. Mind you, criticism is easy, but administration needs broad minds and broad hearts, love-filled hearts, like a father. Administration is in the hands of son. Son is father. Thank you all.